For the classes also, it is very good before the classes, before the teacher come, you take 2-3 breathing exercise. Breathing exercise means we will take the breath like that, and you hold a little bit, and slowly you will release. Not like a, not like that, okay? Like that, some people run and they'll do not like that, okay, Chaya? That is not way. That is something different. So you have to do, take it slowly, like that.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Sarah, Siddhi, what's the problem? Siddhi or Sarah? Who is there?
Ma'am, Sarah.
Sarah, you keep your doubts. You ask so many things, and sometimes we cannot continue the class. After I explain, you will get your answer. Okay, Sarah? Then I have to take it other subject, other chapter. Let's just do that. Okay, Sarah? Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Everyone's okay. So what you do means everyone keep your pen and everything. And just take it.
Ma'am.
See, I am taking breathing. Okay, slowly. See, I am showing the actions because you cannot feel that whether I am breathing sometimes. So when I breathe in, I am taking my hands up. That means I am breathing in. And when I take in my hands down, it is down. So this is a warm-up exercise. Okay, everyone do that slowly. With my hands, you take it in. Okay. Okay, not together. Okay, Rudra, you are putting your air is fully down like that. I can feel that. See, when I look at your face, I can feel that. The way I move my hands, you have to take it, your breathing. The way I put down slowly, you have to slowly, you have to put down. That is a warm-up exercise. Not like that. This is something someone before dying, no? They will do like, it's not like that, okay? That's not good. That is not a good exercise, okay, my dear? Okay, fine. Once again. You don't have to raise your body, okay? Some are raising your body, not that. That I raised to show you only. Okay, we don't do that. This is only with your nose and your concentration. Once again. Isan is not doing, I know. Isan, you are not doing exercise, okay? It's an exercise.
And some of them are off in the video.
Okay. Some are very good children. I think majority have done. Do you feel something fresh when you do that breathing and breathe out? Yeah.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
feel a little bit energetic and refreshed.
Ma'am.
So that is something beautiful thing. That means before every class, you have a 1 hour gap for every class. Then before the class, before you enter, before the teacher admit to you, do this 5 times. After the class enter, do this 5 times. And this is will give you refresh your body. So that will give you a relaxation for your mind and your health. So this is warm-up exercise. There are some people, they do the walking. So warm-up exercise, what you really do? We prepare our body for any actions. It is not all exercise. Now you are, what action you do? You are studying, correct? And you are preparing ourselves for study. And if you running, you prepare yourselves for that. So our body temperature will increase and decrease. When you run, your temperature will increase because you are using all the muscles, no? All the muscles you are using to run. It is not only leg and arm, entire your body is moving. That's why your body is getting into getting sweating and all that things. Okay, children. So that's about the warm-up exercise. Warm-up exercise will help you to release your tension and release your toxins in your body. Now we are moving on to the last session is muscle injuries. So this is our muscle injuries, my dear. First muscle is strain. Usually, you must be experienced. Some of you must have experienced the strain in your body. Suppose you play a full long. Huh?
Yes,
You
ma'am,
feel
I
my
have
legs
got
are
it.
paining,
It's
my that is
painful.
paining, this is paining. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am, it's very painful.
Ma'am, I
Painful.
have muscle strain every day.
What
And
you
I-
do? Simply
That
you won't
is
get
not
muscle
good.
strain.
Ma'am, that is not
ma'am.
good continuously doing
They
strain.
say when the muscles are stretched without any that much rest, right?
Ah.
You will get strain. So
Ah.
when I am writing notes, I will do like this to write the L and T.
Ah.
So
Okay.
after that, if I don't do my hands like this, I will get strained.
That is correct, because some of your students know. That's why you should not keep your work for every one day. You should write little. Okay, once 1 hour, 2 hours, sit together and you write all your notes, English, Maths, EVS, everything. Naturally, what you get, your legs, your
People
hands
also
get
get
pain.
the neck pain, ma'am. It's a painful.
That is the muscle, that is the strain. That even sometimes you get a headache, or no, sometimes you get headache, correct?
Yesterday night
Actually-
I got a headache.
So headache actually is we are straining the muscles of your brain. So when you think, when you watch your TV for a long time, when you sit for computer games for a long time, gradually you are straining your muscles, your eye muscles also you are straining. I told you, in our body, legs and hands, the muscles are very strong. They don't get much pain very fast, but our brain, our eye, our ear, our mouth, all the muscles connected to that are very delicate. They are delicate darlings. Okay. So when you don't take care of these muscles, naturally you will get headache. You will lose your eyesight. So you have to take care of the muscles. So whenever you have, that's why I'm telling you, whenever you do finish your one online classes, either you have to do some exercise, stretching your body, or do some jogging, or you do the breathing exercise. Any of this will
Ma'am, I
give
can't
you,
do jogging.
release your muscle tension. This strain, this is our tension. Because when you concentrate on this one screen, some of you using mobile, it is very strainful. Some are using laptop. Laptop is not much tension will give you, but your mobile, those are using mobile for classes, you
Ma'am,
are
I am
giving.
using tab, but I use the eye protection mode.
So some people has that tension. Tension is the one, tension of the brain to only concentrate on that particular small screen. So this is known as strain. So when muscles are stretched and when a muscle is used too much without rest, okay, without sleeping properly, you are watching TV, especially some of you guys, you may playing computer, even midnight also. That is not good for you. It is going to be harmful for you. Clear? That's what.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wear specs.
You are?
I wear a specs, anti-glare specs.
Yes, specs also is a common. I am using the specs. Okay, I am also I started using the specs from my degree onwards. While I was doing degree. That means around 20 years ago. So that means still now I am using the specs. So that is the reason, because I used to, my study is in the night. I used to sit for a long time during night time and I study. Okay, so that must have caused our brain to have muscles to have tension. That is why. So some of you, Izan and all, Izan is wearing specs, and 1 or 2 students I saw. These are some problem you have. Your muscles are not strong enough. Okay, Izan is wearing the specs. It's not because of she used the muscle too much, because she's a small. She must not have used. Maybe her muscles are not strong, so she might have some problem. Now, Izan, can you tell me what is the cause of your wearing the specs, dear? Why do you wear the spectacles, Izan? Can you unmute? Unmute, dear. Ma'am, why do you wear spectacles in a small child?
Spectacles.
You have? I didn't get you.
Ma'am, I have wear spectacles because
Ma'am, he's telling he has anti-glare spectacles.
Okay. I wanted to know what is the reason for it.
and for some vision problems.
Okay, you have a vision problem. From which age onwards you started wearing? From first standard onwards or now?
No, ma'am, I've been using this for 9 months.
9 months. Okay. So that is because she has some vision problem. That is also due to some muscle problem. Sometimes when you by birth you may not get enough nutrients while you are a baby. So that also will cause you all those things. Otherwise, like Avantika, Rudra, Juan, Nasnia, majority of you don't have spectacles. That means now your muscles are strong enough. You don't have to wear it. So when you strain your muscles, especially you strain your brain muscles, naturally it will affect your vision, you get head pain.
Ma'am, my
Similarly,
sister
you
is
work.
wearing specs.
Yes, you wear more time. You watch TV or something without sleeping in the midnight. Naturally, that also will give you cost. Then when you work, when you do the overworking, that time also you will have thing. Clear, children? Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
What doubt you
I
have?
have a
Ma'am,
doubt.
can I ask Ma'am Sarah?
Sarah, tell me.
Ma'am, we will make sound of our bones, right, ma'am?
Yes,
Ma'am, it's an exercise?
it's an exercise. Knuckles, no? Like Aditi is doing that. We are using that. That is example for your knuckles. This is known as knuckles. That part we are finger
Ma'am,
knuckles.
is it good for
Ma'am,
us?
It is good. It is good. It is
But
good.
my father told it's not good.
No, that's not. It is good. It is good. We are giving exercise like this, okay, to our hands.
My auntie told that if we do like that when we grow up, our muscles may be paining or something.
No. That the way you do. Some of you will just break it, not like that. Breaking your knuckles or something is which you do gently, not that taking and breaking like that. Okay, you get pain.
This
Yeah, I don't think so. It will harm to you. From childhood onwards, I used to do. Then there's in there so. So it is something is releasing tension actually. Sometimes when you break it. Okay. Okay, children. Shall we go to the next one? Cramp.
Yes, ma'am.
Cramp means a painful tightening of a muscle happens. Suddenly when you run, you will get a catch of it. Oh, you will say something happened.
When we don't drink water, ma'am, when we don't drink water, we will get a cramp.
Yes. Can you unmute everyone? Someone told me when you drink water. Yes, if you drink water without giving a gap, suddenly you take one cup of mug and put it in your vocal cord. Then naturally vocal cord will get a cramp. Sometimes you get up. Suddenly you get up. Suddenly when you get up, maybe one of the muscles must have a little bit strain. That has caused you cramp. Okay. So cramp is a painful tightening of a muscle happens. Then what you do? If your leg you have to kick your legs. Kick your legs. Suppose your hand has massaging.
When we fall.
When we fall sometimes, cramp means suddenly you are running. You are going for a race. Suddenly you got a severe pain on your thigh. So that is a muscle cramp. Not the strain, it's a muscle cramp. Suddenly it will come. Then either you have to massage it or suppose you got a cramp here. At once you have to just shake your hands or shake your thigh, and also either you massage it. Okay. Sportsmen usually get ointment.
I was when in 3rd standard, I had skating, and in the evening when I skate too much, my father is helping Suresh sir. So sometimes for the competitions and all, I will stay there till night time. So when I skate like that too much, I will get cramp in my leg.
Okay. That is true. It's a cramp. It's a cramp that I told you.
Ma'am, in school I was in athletics. So when I run, Ma'am, I am also staying for night in skating.
You all know especially the children, those who go for
I am
sports activity,
athletics.
no? Children, those who do
Ma'am, I do
skating.
athletics.
Everyone.
We will not wear socks. Our skin will. Ma'am, I do athletics. So I have
You will get. Okay, children. Okay, children. Yeah, everyone now understood. Now unmute it. Now we are moving to the last point, bruises. Bruises, you know, cut. You can cut with the knife, cut with anything, no problem. Bruises, sometimes swelling will come, okay, or sometimes getting hurt. Suddenly your hand, while you are running, two people came and dashed together. Dashed together, and maybe one of the face must have got one red mark over there. So that is a bruises, okay. And maybe your brother, maybe the brother is got angry and beat you up. Okay. No, Risa, sometimes Rifa will get angry and beat you up. Then you get a swelling. Clear?
Ma'am, for daily, I am getting from my brother.
One day.
Me also.
Now you tell me. Now you tell me. Brother, don't beat me. I am getting bruises. My muscles are getting injured. Tell them.
But he
Ma'am,
would
I
not
told him.
understand
So
it, ma'am.
he
When we take TT, we have strain. When we take TT,
When you
take TT, we have strain.
sometimes, if you continue skating for hours, you will get a strain. Okay, children.
Ma'am, 14 years